You guys how to find a equation of line change from standard form to slope intercept form, and to do that slope intercept form, we want x-intercept and want y-intercept, and then we're going to run a regression with 2 points to find the slope intercept form. And the equation is 2x plus 3 y is 12. What I'm trying to stress with my students that whenever it's x-intercept, the point is on x-axis, right? And when its point is on x-axis, the value of y is 0. And whenever the point is on y-axis, the value of x is 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute the value of y0 in this equation and solve for x. And then we substitute of x0 and then we solve for y. So we have 2 points, and then we can do a regression or plot the points to find the equation. So I'm going to use the Inspire calculator. So we go home, new document, do not save, and then you open a calculator page, and I'm going to type this equation as is. So just for reference, 2x plus 3y equal sign is right here under control, and it was 12. And I know there's no variable stored for it, so I'm going to leave it like that. So this is our equation. So what we're going to do is substitute y0 so that we can have a value of x. So what you can do is you can go up and you can copy it and paste it, and then you go here and then no, we're going to value y, right? And substitute y is 0, and then you hit no, we cannot do that yet because it's not in the end solve. So what we do is we go to menu, we go to algebra and solve, and then you can copy and paste it, or you can type the whole thing. So why don't we do that? So 2x plus 3 times 0, because on x-intercept y is 0 equals 12, and then you go comma x, you solve for y, and you hit enter, and that's your x-intercept, 6 comma 0. So we go in here, and so this value here is 6 comma 0. So right here we got x-intercept to be 6 comma 0. Now we go ahead and copy it. So you go up, hit enter, and then we go back and put it in here y, and then we solve for y when x is 0, right? And then we solve for y, so that means you have to change this variable to y. So you change it to y, and then that means you are solving for y and you hit enter. That's 4, 0. So that means your point over here is 0 comma 4. So we got 2 points, 0, 4, and 6, 0. Now what we can do is we can run a regression with it. So I did that before. I'm going to do that very quick. So I'm going to add a page, control doc, and then I can do list and spreadsheet, or I can graph it. Let me do graph it this time. Instead of running regression, it's much easier to graph it. So I'm going to hit go to menu, points and lines, get a point, hit parentheses, and then I remember it was 6, enter 0, that's my x-intercept, parentheses, 0, enter 4, that's my y-intercept. Then I go to menu again, then I go to points and lines, I get the line through it, and I touch those points, and you have seen in my previous video I do that, and then we will find the equation of line. So you go to menu, action, coordinates, and you hit enter twice on your handheld, and that's your equation of the line. So that was my video for using x and y intercept and finding the changing the standard form to y equals mx plus b form, and the equation is um, actually 0.67 means 2/3 of x, so negative 2/3 x plus 4. So that's my way to convert standard form to slope filter form. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. Um, Please add to it and the way try try different ways, but this is how inspire can be used to change standard form to slope filter form. And thank you for watching my video. This is Mr. Singh, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.